Good morning, Lewisburg. I'm Jay Ramsey, and this is Patriot Vision for Tuesday, February 17th. Tonight, you will find 3 home athletic opportunities. Archery has a meet in the LHS gym, JV and varsity baseball take on Marshall Academy, and softball plays Center Hill. Come out dressed in your best comfy gray sweats to support our athletes. Good luck, everyone. Miss Amanda Jones is offering AP Writing Workshop on Tuesday, March 3rd during PT in B10. Any students from Fall AP Euro or current AP World or APUSH are allowed to attend. We are going to practice how to answer short answer questions. There will be more workshops offered after spring break for LEQs and DBQs. Please see Miss Jones if you have questions. Are you interested in being a lineman in the future? Miss Waring and Miss Morris are looking for 2 seniors that want to participate in a 3-part series with North Central Electric. Students will explore the pathway and careers available, training and certifications required, and gain hands-on introductions to tools and equipment of the trade. If this is something you want to do, please contact Miss Waring or Miss Morris by Wednesday, February 25th. Don't forget that prom tickets go on sale next week for an early bird price of $65. Forms will be outside of C8. The completed form and money is due at the same time. If you missed the investigative report from today during Patriot time, here's a quick recap.
It was probably one of the worst calls I've ever been to in my entire law enforcement career.
This is the last confirmed sighting of the lost biscuit.
I had a chicken biscuit that morning.
Yeah, was it your chicken biscuit?
Nope, I had a crisp.
Tell the truth, Brett!
I didn't take it.
That's not what I'm hearing, so tell the truth now.
I would never take anything from Coach Coleman.
I'm gonna get down to the bottom of this. We're gonna see if that's the truth.
Some will ask, do I regret it? It was just really my pleasure.
You can find the full video on YouTube. And finally, chicken biscuits will be sold tomorrow and Friday in the comments for $5. Thanks for watching and have a great day.